Yeah. Yeah, man. How many of you need to buy one of these? Okay? Yeah. So I was experimenting with this, you know, and the filters and everything. You know, I got this motherfucker used to smell rank. You know, I'm not gonna get into that. Get a little case too. You know, a little gas mask case. Yeah. You know, at first I wasn't gonna bother, you know, but I decided, you know, it has many uses. Since they're stooping to the level of gassing and cops tear gas, I might want to go to a protest with one of these, you know. It might have need for other uses, but yeah, they're gassing me. You know, right now I don't know if they are. I don't think they are. If it is, it's not noticeable. Usually when they do, it's really noticeable. Yeah, this motherfucker work. You know, basically you put the filters in and you screw it in here. Filters in. It screws onto this motherfucker right here. See what I'm saying? You got your little gas mask. Kinda cool, huh? Yeah, I thought so. Kind of for a cool price too. But it was used to the downside. But you know, I didn't really feel like, why do I need a new one, right? So yeah. So, you know, that was the main purpose of this video, to show off my gas mask, and I'll leave it there. The song is called A Revolutionary's Questions. To many of them, I already have yes.
The very word secrecy is repugnant in a free and open society. And we are, as a people, inherently and historically opposed to secret societies, to secret oaths, and to secret proceedings.
Why couldn't society stay true to what JFK said? Why do they always want those who strive to be righteous dead? Why do people hold it against me when I say off with their hand, gently, sometimes with passion? Why would they say I'm wrong if I started blasting? Why don't they see where our philosophies are clashing? They follow devils. Why are they so naive? Why can't the people make demons bleed, or at least leave? Why do innocents suffer? Why are they trying to stop me from killing those demonic motherfuckers? Why do every day go by with pain? Why every day I want to scream and cry again? Why did they hurt those women and men? Why do children starve to death? Why does covert drugging take away my breath? Why don't they want to give me my credit? Why don't demons get sick of evil and end it, dead it? Why don't they see all I've researched as I read it and deliver my words after? Why do these serpents want me captured? Why do sick, brainwashed, indoctrinated people laugh? Why did the African king and pharaoh hold a staff? Why am I always persecuted? Why did the poor feel the need to riot? Why do they loot it? Why do they do it? And why would some people say they're wrong when they have stolen from my people all along? Speaking of along, why can't we unite and gather? Just like at church. Why does the falcon leave his perch? Why do these songs bitterly hurt? Why is nothing really funny, yet people laugh? Now why would you try to stop me when it's time to blast? Why can't they do the simple math? Why don't they see? Why don't they perceive? Why don't they believe? Why is there anguish and lamenting? Why aren't they repenting? Why do I always make these videos and nothing changes? Why do devils blame us? Why are devils famous? Why are they ignominious? Why do they try to contain us? Why didn't they admit that I was right? Even though I had $1,000 for whoever could disprove one key point in over 3,300 videos that I did not take back myself. You can simply check with me if that's the key point before you attempt to disprove it. Why can't I have true love? Why can't we set to place the evil? You think politics is a game where you can just let people die and there won't be revolutionaries like me grabbing you by your chicken neck asking you, motherfucker, why?